Good morning. This is Shirley from Shirley's World Vlog. I wanted to come on and do a quick video, a ship with me video, because I sold one thing yesterday and I want to get it to the mail because this is a something I hoped I would sell this winter. This is a C&B women's fleece top, and it has a little patch on here. You can see the snowmen. I'll put a picture of the whole thing. It's like a mock neck top, long sleeve fleece. It looks very warm, and yeah. So I wanted to get this out. This is going to, I'm gonna kill this name. It's someplace in Wisconsin. Oconomowoc. If you have any idea what I'm saying, that's where it's going. Yeah, I have no idea where that is. It has a heart sticker on here. And yeah, this is the only thing shipping out today. And I'm sure she'll love it. I thought several times about keeping this one, especially when the weather got so cold and snowy. This is definitely snowman weather. So, I'm taking this out and putting it in my mail bin. It's the only one in there today. It's the 30th of January, almost the end. And yes, it's, I think, like 3 degrees out. It's probably warmer now, but it was 3 degrees when I got up. But it's supposed to go up to the teens today at least. And yeah, so stay warm, everybody. Samantha's coming today, and I think I don't know what we're gonna do. So that is it for today's Ship With Me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.